Hi, welcome to 5 Minutes About Pulsar. I am Massimiliano Mirelli, a software engineer on the streaming team at DataStax and a contributor to the Apache Pulsar project. Today, I will show you how to get your first Pulsar cluster geo-replicated straight on your machine. These can be obviously achieved on any cloud and pretty much everywhere. If you want to start to speed with Pulsar, sign up at astra.datastax.com/register streaming and spin up your first Pulsar instance for free. Also, if you have any questions about the content in this video or Pulsar, please drop an email at pulsarquestions@datastax.com. We'll be happy to help you. Now, let's get straight to geo-replication. Geo-replication allows a Pulsar cluster living in a given region to replicate Pulsar topics to another Pulsar cluster running in a different region. This allows you to run highly distributed inter-regional workloads as the one pictured in this slide. In this video, I will use two Pulsar Standalone clusters. Pulsar Standalone is a CLI tool that starts all Pulsar components in just one process. The first Pulsar Standalone is called Cluster A, exposing Pulsar port at 6650 and HTTP port at 8080, and the second one called Cluster B at Pulsar port 6660 and HTTP port at 8090. I've just run a script which configures Pulsar Standalone clusters as per this configuration. Now we are ready to start the two Pulsar Standalone. So in shell 2 we will run cluster A and shell 3 cluster B. As this net stat shows, the clusters are up and running. Now it's time to configure geo-replication. The following steps need to be executed on both Pulsar clusters. We will start from cluster A, as you can see from the --admin URL HTTP localhost 8080. First, we create a tenant, tenant1. Secondly, we create a namespace, tenant1/ns1. Third, we tell for cluster A that cluster B exposes the Pulsar port on 6660 and the HTTP port on 8090. Then we allow tenant1 to access cluster A and cluster B. And finally, we replicate the namespace tenant1/ns1 on cluster A and cluster B. This means that any topic under tenant1/ns1 will be persisted on both clusters. All these steps will be repeated for cluster B, as you can see from the --admin URL HTTP localhost 8090. Next, we validate that the geo-replication has been successfully configured. To achieve this, we produce to cluster A on topic tenant1/ns1/topic1 and consume on the same topic from cluster B. As you can see, the messages are actually being consumed on cluster B. And this is everything I wanted to show. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and share the video if you found it useful, and have a great day.